Question 8 asked the order of this matrix. Kjsea 2025, question 8. And I remember in those videos last year predicting Kjsea 2025, I did several questions on this. You can check on my YouTube and you'll see this question. The order of a matrix is given by rows times columns. The number of rows times the number of columns. Just that. So, and I illustrated it when you were saying about equation of a straight line and mentioning a point we start with x, then y, going this way. And also rows are this way. So this order is 2, 1, 2, then times columns. How many columns do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This was the answer. You can use that concept to illustrate, to remember when you're given a point like x, y, or 2, 4. We start with going this way, x, the rows, and this way columns, which is the y-axis. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.